Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you guys how you can create this easy half moon nail art by yourself at home. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you don't miss out any of my future videos. So let's get started. So at first, I will be painting 2 coats of this silver mirror nail polish by Beromt. I want the silver nail polish to be at the cuticle area, so I will mainly focus on that portion and not on the rest of the nail. Once the silver mirror nail polish is dry, I am going to be painting black nail polish. Now to create the half moon, you can use nail vinyl or you can do it simply by using the brush of the black nail polish just like I am doing. For that, make sure that the brush has less amount of black nail polish so that you can create the half moon easily by yourself. If you have more amount of nail polish on the brush, then it will smudge and you will not get that perfect line. So at first I will mainly focus in creating that half moon circle and then I will fill the rest with the black nail polish. Now once the black nail polish is dry, I am going to be using this white acrylic paint, and using this brush I am going to be painting one flower at the top of the black portion. This will be a simple flower. Just take the white nail polish at the tip of the brush and do some small strokes to create the petals. And finally add a glossy top coat to seal the design, and this is the finished look guys. I hope you guys like it, and if so, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And it's a very easy design, so I guess you can easily do it at home, and if you do so, then please tag me your picture on Instagram or Facebook. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.